Lamborghini Aventador and the Tesla Model X represent two radically different visions of automotive performance, and yet they are often compared in head-to-head drag and rolling races, sparking curiosity among car enthusiasts worldwide. On one hand, the Aventador is a traditional supercar masterpiece, powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine producing around 730 horsepower, designed for precision handling, blistering acceleration, and an auditory experience that evokes raw emotion. Every aspect of its design, from the aerodynamics to the lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, screams performance-driven engineering meant for the track and winding roads. On the other hand, the Tesla Model X, particularly in its plaid version, offers a paradigm shift, an all-electric SUV with dual or tri-motor setups delivering over 1,000 horsepower, instant torque, and the ability to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, something many traditional sports cars struggle to achieve. The Model X also challenges conventional expectations with its utility features, spacious interior, and advanced driver assistance technologies, making it a performance machine that's simultaneously practical for everyday use. When these two vehicles meet on a drag strip, the conversation inevitably turns to acceleration and launch strategy. The Aventador, with its manual or automated throttle modulation, requires a precise launch to optimize power delivery without losing traction, while the Model X can deploy all available torque instantaneously, aided by sophisticated traction control systems, potentially giving it an edge in a short, straight sprint. Yet, acceleration alone does not define a supercar's essence. Handling dynamics, cornering stability, and driver feedback remain areas where the Aventador has a clear advantage. Its low center of gravity, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel or all-wheel drive configurations allow it to negotiate high-speed corners with confidence, something a taller, heavier SUV like the Model X cannot fully replicate, despite its impressive weight distribution and active suspension. Furthermore, the sensory experience differs profoundly. The Aventador delivers an immersive combination of engine growl, mechanical precision, and tactile feedback, whereas the Model X offers silent electric propulsion and an interior-centric experience dominated by screens and futuristic controls. In rolling races, where initial momentum carries into sustained speed, the Model X's instant torque can again surprise, sometimes overtaking even established supercars before aerodynamic drag begins to limit top-end performance. However, at higher velocities, the Aventador's aerodynamic design, lower weight, and gear-driven transmission allow it to reclaim authority, illustrating that raw top speed still favors traditional supercars in many scenarios. Beyond the track, the broader narrative involves the evolution of automotive technology and the blurring of categories. Electric vehicles like the Model X challenge the assumption that SUVs cannot deliver supercar-like acceleration, proving that torque and software optimization can offset the disadvantages of mass and height. At the same time, Lamborghini's continued dedication to naturally aspirated engines, precision engineering, and visceral driving experience emphasizes that emotional connection to driving remains a core component of automotive culture. Enthusiasts and critics alike weigh these factors, often debating whether measurable acceleration or the overall driving experience should define supremacy. Environmental considerations also enter the conversation. The Model X, as an EV, produces zero tailpipe emissions and leverages regenerative braking, contributing to a different kind of performance philosophy, one focused on efficiency without sacrificing thrill. The Aventador, conversely, celebrates traditional internal combustion power, embracing energy-intensive engineering that appeals to purists seeking unfiltered performance. In the end, whether an EV SUV can beat a supercar depends on context. In a straight-line sprint, the Model X's instantaneous torque and launch control make it a formidable competitor, but in track-focused scenarios emphasizing handling, response, and sensory engagement, the Aventador retains a clear advantage. This comparison underscores a broader truth about modern automotive trends. Performance is no longer defined by a single formula, and different approaches, electric or internal combustion, SUV or supercar, offer distinct but equally compelling experiences. And that's something worth remembering when you next see two vehicles of radically different philosophies facing off, reminding us that innovation can redefine even the most traditional